to be a very average problem. Perhaps even a grade 6 student could just immediately shout out, well, this is equal to 1 into 1. However, what if I tell you that there is actually 4 solutions to it? Okay, so I'm actually going to tell you how this actually works. So we know x to the 4. You see that it is represented in real form, but what about if we change it to another form? This is its imaginary form, which the cosine 0 is 1 and sine 0 is 0. So in this case, it becomes 1 plus 0i. And what's magical about it is that you could actually then put x into, you could actually then represent the 4 solutions of x respectively into the following thing, which is 0 plus 2 pi k divided by n plus sine 0 plus 2 pi k where n is equal to 4. Why is it equal to 4? Because the exponent is 4. And k would represent its number of solution. So for example, in this case, it would be xk, which if the first solution of x would have k is equal to 1, the second solution of x would have k is equal to 2, etc. Then what we could do is that we could just manually calculate k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Xk is equal to cosine 0 plus sine 0i. This is the first solution, which is equal to 1. The second solution, xk plus is equal to cosine 0 plus 2 pi divided by 4, with plus sine 0 plus 2 pi divided by 4, which this thing should be equal to, my brain cell dies, I'm so sorry, which is equal to 0 plus I, which is equal to I. The third solution, x3, is equal to cosine 0 plus 4 pi, because it's 2 pi times 2, sine 0 plus 2 pi divided by 4 pi. Oh my god. So in this case, it's equal to, which this thing is equal to 4. Cosine pi plus sine pi I. So in this case, it's equal to negative 1. It's equivalent to negative I, similarly. And for x5, it's going to be equal to x1 is going to be equal to 1, etc. What's more interesting about this is that if you try to draw them in an Argand diagram where the real real part of the imaginary number is x axis, while the imaginary part of the complex number is y axis, you are able to see that those 4 solutions are separated 90 degrees apart from each other. And most interestingly, the angle that each solution separates from each other is going to be 360 divided by n, where n represents the number of possible solutions. For example, if there's 5 solutions, then they are separated 70 degrees. If there are 6 solutions, the solutions separate 60 degrees from each other. And if there's 8 solutions, they separate from each other for 45 degrees. Yeah. And here we come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you have learned a lot. See you next week. Bye-bye.